Hello there. In this guide, you will learn how to use the Winget package manager to install, update, and remove packages on Microsoft Windows. Winget is the official command line tool for managing packages in Windows, similar to package managers like apt or DNF on Linux. The Winget package manager is installed by default on Windows 11 and the latest version of Windows 10. You can run the Winget command from both command prompt and the Windows PowerShell. To view the command options for Winget, simply type Winget and press Enter key. This will display the head package, providing you with detailed information about available commands and their usage. Let's start by searching for packages. For example, if you want to install PowerShell 7, I can use the following command to find the package that installs it. This command will display a list of packages that match the keyword PowerShell. For each package, Winget will display the name, ID, and version. To get more information about a package, use the winget show command, like so. Remember to use the package ID when managing packages. The winget show command will provide you with detailed information about the specified package, including its name, description, version, publisher, and more. To install packages, we use the winget install command followed by the ID of the package, like so. Installation completed successfully. To list install apps on your computer, use the winget list command. To remove an app, use the winget uninstall command followed by the app's ID. For example, following command will uninstall PowerShell. If you type winget update, it will show a list of available updates. You can then specify the package ID to update a specific package, like so. That's it for this guide. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.